When you want to repaint any surface, here are the steps as follows. First, you use sugar soap. After it's clean and dry, you use a normal water-based paint. For newly plastered surfaces, you get two different kinds of plaster primer, a solvent-based plaster primer and a water-based plaster primer. Plaster primer is usually white, therefore it serves as a base coat. Afterwards, you use any color of your choice as a top coat. You can choose from the following products: velvet paint for interior, matte textured for exterior, and a matte white for the ceilings. All of these paints come in various different colors. If you have any other questions or need assistance on choosing the right product, please visit us in store. One of our friendly experts will kindly assist you.